Welcome to our comparison video of Google Wi-Fi system and Google Nest Wi-Fi. If you're looking for a better Wi-Fi coverage solution, you've come to the right place. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, comment with your thoughts and experiences, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and comparisons. When it comes to range, both Google Wi-Fi system and Google Nest Wi-Fi offer impressive coverage. While Google Wi-Fi system covers up to 1,500 square feet per point, and a set of 3 covers homes up to 4,500 square feet, Google Nest Wi-Fi provides a maximum range of 2,200 square feet, with coverage up to 4,400 square feet by adding Nest Wi-Fi routers or points to your system. So, in terms of range, Google Nest Wi-Fi offers better coverage. Both Google Wi-Fi system and Google Nest Wi-Fi offer reliable speeds, thanks to their network assist technology. However, Google Nest Wi-Fi can handle up to 200 connected devices and stream multiple 4K videos at a time. So, if speed is a priority for you, Google Nest Wi-Fi is the winner. Both Google Wi-Fi system and Google Nest Wi-Fi are easy to set up and control, thanks to their simple and straightforward app. However, Google Nest Wi-Fi offers more control options, such as guest network creation, device prioritization, and parental controls. So, in terms of setup and controls, Google Nest Wi-Fi offers more features. In terms of price, Google Wi-Fi system is more affordable with a value of $48 US, whereas Google Nest Wi-Fi has a value of $72 US. So, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, Google Wi-Fi system is a better choice. And that concludes our comparison of Google Wi-Fi system and Google Nest Wi-Fi. Both products offer excellent Wi-Fi coverage but differ in terms of range, speed, setup, and controls and price. Ultimately, the choice depends on your needs and budget. We hope this video helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like this video, comment with your thoughts and experiences, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and comparisons.